Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't had much content as of late, but I wanted to show you another little update of the new vehicle. This is Hot Rod. It's a 2017 Camaro ZL1 in hot red, hence the license plate that you just saw. It is a 6-speed vehicle. Thank you very much. And I am using a new camera. How about that? Instead of using my old cell phone, the LG V40, followed by the LG V30, all of which have excellent cameras on them, I decided to go up and get myself a nice little GoPro 6, which the wife was very kind to get for me for my last birthday over there. As you can see, it's got a couple of things done to it already. I did pick this one up used. Got it up for $48,000 down at Culver City, California. Not a very great dealership, but at the same time, it is, well, it is what it is. I mean, it's a 2017 ZL1, pretty well loaded pack. I do have the sunroof. I'm not crazy about the sunroof, though it is nice to have. I do have just the basic package, ZL1 basic sport package. That's what it comes with. It did come with the 1LE spoiler, which I am quite enjoying, actually. They didn't do quite a great job on the installation of the spoiler itself. As you can see, there's little speckling right here on the paint, and some more right in here, from where they didn't do exactly the best job on the installation. But that is a rather expensive spoiler and not an easy one to find either. It is the stock factory ZL1 spoiler in full carbon fiber. I added the Corvette Jake stickers. I thought it was a nice addition. It went well with the car. And for all those that are wondering, yes, I do have a child seat in the back of the car. That's for my 7-year-old. He loves the car. He thinks it's an Autobot. Well, granted, I tell him it's an Autobot. You know, you gotta live with these kids a little bit, and let their imaginations grow a touch. But I love the car. It is fast. It's mean, and I hope to get it a little bit meaner. And currently I'm getting it ready to go out to the dealer for right now. I have a couple of problems with the sway bar end links. They are getting loose, but prior to me getting it over there, let's do a quick startup for you. Like I said, stick shift. I wouldn't have it any other way. Push. Not the first start of the day. Let's see. 23,079 miles. Not too bad. I got it with 17,000 on it, and I'm averaging about 14 to 18 around town, getting pretty close to about 25 to 30 on the freeway. But I think it's not a bad little car. I like it. It's a little cramped inside here for me, especially for the wife when she wants to sit in here with the kid in the back seat. But we manage. I am 6'1", 250 pounds, so the seat is a little tight for even me, but it's a good fit for me. It does well. It does very well. And a little bit of a yeah, it gets rowdy with that exhaust. This does have the Borla ATAC exhaust on it. Stay tuned for more. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Talk to you a bit.